And we are back. As you can see, the engine is already at place. Sorry I didn't show you the entire process, but there was a lot of uncensored word during the process. I was putting it inside with a tranny and with the starter. The central link was also at place. Thankfully, no big harms. But it was not an easy case. This was my first time that I was putting an engine to a Fiat, so we spent some time to make these things right. But during the last picture there was a lot of question about the ignition. The wires can be also a kind of tricky thing, but today I'm going to show you why sometimes after putting it all back together you have an ignition problem, overheating problem. As you can see, this is the module. It's impossible to install it incorrectly because as you can see it has a small pins in here, so it fits only in one position. Second thing, the socket, you will have it from your distributor. As you can see, there is a big one and a small one, so it is also impossible to mix it. As a matter of fact, I have lost the original connection, so I have made my own. Yeah, that will be good enough. But what's the big trick? The big trick is a kind of paste. This is a heat conductivity paste. And it is extremely important to put it between the module and the radiator. A lot of people, when they are checking their ignition, they have found the paste and they are cleaning it up. And then just put it all back together like this. And this is the reason why the module is becoming heated, and this is the reason why it became malfuncture. Actually, this is a kind of paste that is being used by the computer guys to install the processors in the computer. So CPUs, they are using the same type of heat conductivity paste just to help to conduct heat from the processor or from module, like in this case, to the radiator. You don't need much of it. Actually, this is the quantity that should be good enough. As you can see, entire housing of the module is plastic. However, this particular plate is made from metal, and this is the reason why they have done it is just to help transfer the heat to the radiator. That would be good enough. Right now only a few bolts, and we will be right back with the coil. I'm gonna need a hand, so stay tuned. Okay, so we are back. The module is already at place. Now the connection. Probably you will have the original wiring, so there will be no possibility to miss that. But if you can see, there are small letters. There is B in here and C in here. So B goes to the plus and the C goes to the negative in the coil. So as you can see, the red one is on the plus side and the black one is on the minus side, and I will just put it back together and we will right back. Okay, so entire device is already ready to be assembled. As I discussed, the red one goes to the positive, the black one to negative. We've got also this is a radio noise device, need to be put it to the plus side, and right now we will put it back to the car and plug it. Okay, so entire device is already at place. The last thing that we need to do is to plug the wires. This is 1979 Fiat Spider, so the pink wire goes to positive, the brown with white stripe goes to negative, and that's pretty much it. Right now you need to plug the coil to the distributor, and that would be it. Hope it will be helpful.